How to fix Cash App payment failed. So let's say that you are trying to make a payment to someone here. I'll set the amount as 5 and we click on pay. However, it shows you an error message saying that the payment has failed. So what you want to make sure and verify is the name or cash tag, phone number or email, whichever method you're using to send money here, that it's actually written correctly. So double and triple check all of the information here to whom you are sending money. The note is not really important. You can write anything and make sure you verify your payment method here as well. So make sure that you have not set it as a gift card or stock or Bitcoin, but instead as cash if you are making a cash payment. After you have checked your info, then you can successfully send the payment. If for some reason it still doesn't work, what you can do is click on your profile icon, go into support, and then you will just go and contact support here by accessing any of these articles and clicking on chat. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.